All right. So if we take the log of both sides, let's get on the camera. There we go. If we start by taking the log of both sides, all right, what that's going to do is it's going to give us this rule where the fraction here separates out as subtraction. So that would be log of 4 to the x minus 3 minus the log of 5. All right, so I'm taking the log of this whole thing like that, and it separates out as a subtraction. All right, and then on the right-hand side, if I take the log of this whole thing, because they're being multiplied, it's going to separate out as addition. So you get log 2 plus log of 9 to the x. All right, let's go ahead and bring down our exponents. We get x minus 3 log 4 minus log 5 log 2 and x log 9. All right, this one on the left, I'm going to have to distribute because eventually I want to separate my x's from the stuff without x's. So it's going to be log 4 times x, which is x log 4, log 4 times negative 3, which is negative 3 log 4, and I still have all the rest of this to write down. All right. I think what I'm going to do here, since these are both negative, I'm going to move these two terms. They don't have an x. I'm going to move those two to the right-hand side. And this one that does have the x, I'm going to move to the left-hand side. So that's going to leave me with x log 4 minus this one, right? Because I got to subtract x log 9 to move it over. Okay, and I already have a log 2 here on the right-hand side. But I'm gonna move these over as well. So plus 3 log 4 to move it over, and plus log 5 to move that over. There we go. All right, we would factor out the x to get x log 4 minus log 9, just to save me a little bit of time for writing. My next step would be to divide both sides by this. So it's going to be the right-hand side divided by log 4 minus log 9. Just like that. Let's see what that comes out to. All right, we get log 2 plus 3 log 4 plus log 5. All right, divided by log 4 minus log 9. 7.967. All right. So x will equal negative 7.967. All right, let me go ahead and check this. Sort to x. All right, on the left-hand side, we got 4 to the x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, that's what we get for the left-hand side. And this is basically 0. Remember that? Got the e negative 8 here. And then the right-hand side is 2 times 9 to the x. Same exact thing. Right. I want to show you just real fast, because this one could have been a little bit easier if we would have multiplied by 5 first to clear out that denominator. Right? 2 times 9 to the x. Yeah, so if you multiply both sides by 5, okay, multiply, I guess, the whole equation by 5. When you multiply the left side by 5, the 5's just cancel, so it leaves you with 4 to the x minus 3. And when you multiply the right-hand side by 5, it's 2 times this times 5. So it's really just 2 times 5, which is 10 times 9 to the x. All right, this is going to make our life a lot easier when we go to take the log of both sides. Okay, let's go ahead and take the log, bring down the exponent. You get x minus 3 log 4. It would be log 10 plus x log 9 whenever you take the log of this side. But the reason this is nice is because log 10 is just 1. All right. The whole problem just gets cleaned up because you have less logarithms, and this is 1. Right? I'll continue it here. X log 4 minus 3 log 4. Okay, I'm distributing there. Equals 1 plus x log 9. And then I would move this one to the left-hand side. X log 4 minus x log 9. And I would move this one to the right-hand side because it doesn't have an x. It would be 1 plus 3 log 4. This is just a lot easier to work with. It's not 3 terms over 5 terms like we had a second ago, right? That was a huge, ugly answer. So our final answer, after you factor out the x and divide, it would be 1 plus 3 log 4 divided by log 4 minus log 9. And if you check this out, it's going to give you the same negative 7.967 answer.